right now. So what I'm covering today is what I didn't cover the other time, and maybe it came into your test assessment. So just clarify. So I'm going to open the maps that we did the other time. So you can double click here, or I can come and click on IUEA. You can see you're going direct to the map we were practicing with the other time. So I'm going to remove the image overlay. This here, so that I can remain with this. So there's a part I didn't cover, which was yeah. So here, when you go and edit, you can copy anything. You can check on the files. You can go and view. So in this view, we have our sidebar. If you want to remove it, you go here, full screen. You click here. Then if you want to navigate, you want it automatic, you put it automatic. If you want always for it show, you click on that. If you want only the campus, you can only put the campus, which is the data here. If you want, you can go and view and say never. So I'm going to just put it automatically. So we continue the view button. So you have the status bar. If you want, you can put in grids by clicking there. You'll realize that okay, this is in a 3D version. If I do it like this, you are able to see the grids. So I realize that I've not taken you through this, and we have to cover it before you people can go any further into ArcGIS. So you see, when I put in the grids, it separates our work into that. So you can also go and view, and you can add a scale. You can add in a scale. You go back to view, you can add in an overview map if you want. So you can add in the sun, the history image. I think we did this. You can do the exploration also from here. If you want, you can reset. Maybe the other thing is on the tools. You can add in GPS data by clicking there, and then you go and import data from a GPS. Now this data from GPS, we are going to go into its details so much when we get to ArcGIS. So just give it a short time. I'm going to take you through that. So you import data from your GIS. Now we have the KMZ files. I think you people heard about it in your test, those who did the test. So the KML file, we have the KML files and the KMZ files. So we have to always convert data from KML, KMZ. We shall learn how to do it in ArcGIS. So for now, I'm going to close this. Unfortunately, I'm not that give you that data. The movie maker, you know how to use it. I think most of these you did. Adding a polygon, you did that. So that is basically, I think, what I had not covered, and I hope you had a nice time learning how to use Google Earth. So we got the next part, which is ArcGIS. Thank you very much. I hope you had fun.